All right, guys, here's a quick trick tip on making scales. So when I'm doing fixed blades, if I'm gonna do multiples using the same, scales with liner material, I'll cut out my basic profile, right? And I usually just drill the first initial hole, right? Make sure they fit the knife. Then I'll glue them on my liner material, right? Put an aluminum plate over them, let them, set overnight. And then before I cut them out, which is what I used to do, I'll do all my countersinking, right? So I countersink everything, right? Then I cut them out. Another thing I do when countersinking, when you do it on a big sheet like this, or even if you're just doing a single knife, having it on that nice big flat area, it's just a lot easier to work with than trying to hold this dinky little scale, right? And I know you guys have had the helicopter happen where you're trying to hold the scale because you're, in a hurry and don't want to clamp it down like you probably should. When it's on that bigger piece of liner material, it's easier to work with. You have more to hold on to, right? Make sure this is level, which is why I had this out. And I know about how deep these need to be countersunk because I've done a lot in this exact thickness. Anyways, yeah, try countersinking on the liner material before you cut them out. Then once you do cut them out and go to, dial everything in, contour it, whatever, everything's countersunk, ready to go. Another tip, use a dull drill bit. That prevents the sharp edge catching on the G10 and spinning it out. I definitely like using dull drill bits when drilling G10, resin, or micarta. Hope this helps. Have a great weekend, guys. Yeah.